Today, let's explore some of the most effective home remedies for dark spots. These remedies are natural, easy to use, and can help lighten dark spots while improving the overall quality of your skin. Remember, you don't need to try all of these tips, but incorporating some into your skincare routine can make a noticeable difference. Lemon juice and yogurt face mask. Lemons are known for their bleaching properties, thanks to the vitamin C and citric acid they contain. This combination makes lemons a perfect bleaching agent for lightening dark spots. When combined with yogurt, which cleanses and nourishes the skin, it forms a powerful mask to bring a glow to your face. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a versatile plant packed with amino acids, vitamins A, B, C, and E. It possesses anti-aging and skin-nourishing properties, making it effective in removing dark spots and reducing skin discoloration. Additionally, aloe vera acts as a natural moisturizer, leaving your skin smooth and soft. Honey. Pure honey is not only delicious but also beneficial for your skin. Applying honey can help get rid of dark spots while improving the overall quality of your skin. Honey has hydrating properties and helps maintain healthy, supple skin. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which research shows may lighten pigmentation. To use this remedy, simply combine equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, apply to dark patches, and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Repeat twice daily until you achieve the desired results. Milk. Milk, buttermilk, and even sour milk contain lactic acid, which effectively lightens skin discoloration. To treat pigmentation, soak a cotton ball in milk and rub it over darkened skin patches twice a day. Repeat daily until you see results. Incorporate these remedies into your skincare routine with consistency, and over time, you'll notice a visible improvement in your dark spots.